The Nigerian Navy Eastern Navy Command don warn criminals, especially sea pirates, to comot from waterways or dem go face the wrath of the law. Flag Officer Commanding Eastern Zone Rear Admiral Olushola Oluwabire na im give dis warning for a maiden inspection tour for the NNS Pathfinder Port Harcourt. E con tok say im stay for the Eastern Navy Command no be for business but na for criminals, and say the Navy go smoke dem out. E con promise to work by the mandate wey the Chief of Navy Staff give dem, and say dem go complete all the projects wey the Navy don start.
We will be doing all that we can to ensure that the mandate given to us by the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Anwazubere Gambo, is utmostly fulfilled. What I've seen here today is that I'm simply impressed by the efforts that the commander has put into place. At the same speed, at the same pace, at the same motivation that the commander NS Pathfinder is going, I'm sure everything is possible. The only word I have for criminal elements who have remained unrepented is that they should stay out of the Eastern Naval Command AOR, because we're going to look for them, we're going to smoke them out, and we're going to roast them.
From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.